If your car has been running hot lately, or you've noticed rust in your coolant, it might be time for a radiator flush. Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be talking about the 5 best radiator flush products that will keep your engine cool, clean, and efficient. Each of these products is designed to remove rust, scale, and sludge, restoring smooth coolant flow and preventing costly overheating issues. All the links to these products are in the description below, so make sure to check them out. Now, let's dive straight into our list of the 5 best radiator flushes available today. Number 1, Iron Tight ThoroFlush. This is a powerful cooling system cleaner that attacks every bit of buildup inside your radiator. It removes rust, oil, grease, scale, and sludge, restoring your cooling system to peak condition. What makes ThoroFlush unique is its ability to break down gelled Dexcool antifreeze, a common issue that can block coolant flow and lead to engine damage. It's also safe for all materials, whether your cooling system includes cast iron, aluminum, brass, or plastic. ThoroFlush won't harm any components. Key features: clears rust, oil, and sludge effectively. Safe for all cooling system materials. Prevents overheating and blockages. Powder formula, easy to mix and use. 1/16 Oz bottle treats up to 6 gallons of coolant. If you want something simple, powerful, and reliable, Iron Tight ThoroFlush is a must-have for your garage. Number 2, Prestone Total Cooling System Cleaner. When it comes to trusted brands and engine care, Prestone always delivers. This 2-in-1 formula offers both light flushing and heavy-duty cleaning, perfect for all types of vehicles. It's a non-toxic, non-acidic formula that's safe for metals like aluminum and brass, while still strong enough to remove heavy deposits and metal oxides. Key benefits: works for both light and deep cleaning, helps prevent overheating by restoring coolant flow, non-toxic and non-acidic, safe for you and your engine, draws out metal oxides that reduce efficiency. If you want an easy-to-use cleaner that delivers professional-level results, Prestone Total Cooling System Cleaner is a solid pick. Number 3, CRC ThermoCure Coolant System Rust Remover. This one's a favorite among DIYers and professionals alike. ThermoCure uses a non-toxic water-based formula that safely removes rust from inside your cooling system. No harsh acids, no scrubbing, no mess. It's based on the evapo-rust technology, meaning it chemically converts rust into a water-soluble compound that simply flushes away. How it works: drain your coolant. Add ThermoCure and fill with water. Dry for 3-4 hours or even a few days. Drain and flush with water 3-4 times. Refill with your preferred coolant. This cleaner removes rust, prevents overheating, and extends the life of your cooling components. It's available in a 32 Oz bottle, good for systems up to 3 gallons. If your radiator is rusted or your car's been sitting for a while, CRC ThermoCure is the perfect restoration solution. Number 4, Blue Devil Products Radiator Flush. Known for its advanced cleaning power, the Blue Devil Radiator Flush is designed to extend your vehicle's life by improving cooling performance. It uses a concentrated cleaning formula that helps break down mineral scale, rust, and buildup that can restrict coolant flow. Highlights: improves engine cooling and prevents overheating. Concentrated formula, a little goes a long way. Helps restore performance and efficiency. Suitable for cars, trucks, and SUVs. If you're looking for a reliable mid-range option that gives professional-grade cleaning results, Blue Devil Radiator Flush is worth adding to your maintenance routine. Number 5, Blue Devil Radiator Flush and Oil Degreaser. This product takes cleaning to another level by not only flushing your radiator, but also removing oil and grease contamination that builds up inside the cooling system. It's a high-performance formula that combines oil degreasing and rust removal, restoring the full efficiency of your cooling system. Key benefits: deep cleans rust, Oil and sludge restores vehicle efficiency, made in the USA, comes with detailed instructions for easy use. If you want an all-in-one cleaning powerhouse, the Blue Devil Radiator Flush and Oil Degreaser will leave your system running cooler and cleaner than ever. And that wraps up our list of the 5 best radiator flush products to keep your engine cool, clean, and efficient. Each of these options offers powerful cleaning action, easy application, and protection against overheating so you can keep your engine running like new. All the product links are listed in the description below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews and car care tips. Thanks for watching, and as always, drive safe, stay cool, and keep your engine happy.